Yeah, temperatures in the 40s. This is why we can't have nice things, because we're quickly going to be heading downhill after that. So 40s tomorrow, no weather issues, but we do have quite a bit of clouds out there, and 40s for Thursday, which is why when this system first arrives, we will be dealing with rain showers and no issues out on the roads. But heading into Friday, we continue to start with rain, but as temperatures drop really quickly, we transition over to ice and then eventually over to a little bit of snow. We're not expecting a lot of snow accumulation this time around. However, it doesn't take much ice to make things slippery, and that's what I think we're kind of more concerned with during the day on Friday. Right now, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 20s for northwestern Connecticut, low to mid 30s for much of the rest of the state, and lows tonight. We can do this. Low to mid 30s, this is nothing. We've been waking up near or even below zero the last couple of mornings, and look at these afternoon high temperatures rising into the lower 40s for most of the area, but with a lot of clouds. And we're even milder for your Thursday, even though this is the day that we see those showers begin to roll in. So let me show you the future radar, and I think we start to see a rising chance for showers as we progress through your Thursday. Maybe a couple scattered showers in the morning, but that rain starts to become more steady and more numerous, those showers, as we head through the day, and even some heavy rain as we head into Thursday night. This system has a lot of moisture jam-packed into it. Luckily, most of that will fall when the system is still above freezing. But watch what happens as we head into Friday morning. I think areas north and west of Hartford may already be transitioning over to a period of freezing rain. So freezing rain looks exactly like rain, but at the same time, with the temperature dropping below freezing, it can form an icy glaze on things and make things slippery. And sometimes even road treatments don't work as well. And as we head through the morning, we'll see that mix line progress even farther south. And by mix, I mean there's a chance for some freezing rain briefly, but then I think we go over to sleet, which are those ice pellets that kind of bounce all over the place. Then, as we head towards the late afternoon and into the evening, finally, it looks like a little bit of snow on top. You got all that? I mean, it's just everything coming down throughout the day. Luckily, as I mentioned before, it looks like the heaviest precipitation is going to be in the morning. And then after that, we're going to start to see things lighten up a little bit. I'm going to go back to that. Wanted to show you how the heaviest snow accumulations end up to the north, and there's a really sharp gradient. And although we could get some minor snow accumulations, I think ice is something that is more of a bigger concern for us. Taking a look at the January stats now, Ryan went through this a little bit earlier regarding the temperature, but I wanted to show you something that I find really weird. We got exactly average snowfall for Bradley International Airport. I mean, down to the 10th of an inch. The average snowfall is 14.2 inches. We got that down to the 10th of an inch. Heading through February, what can we expect? The average high for the first is in the mid 30s. By the end of the month, it climbs into the low 40s. So we do gain a little bit of warmth through the month. Not much, though. We gain some daylight, though, an hour and 9 minutes through the month, but take a look at that. Plenty of winter left to go. Over a foot of snow on average for the month of February. Regarding how much ice or snow accumulation we may be able to get on Friday, hopefully we'll have a better handle on that tomorrow. It's just a bit too soon, especially with that changeover. It really all comes down to the timing. If we change over and feel that cold in faster, we're talking about higher ice or snow accumulations. But if we hang on to that rain a little bit longer, that would really help us out, although it might make it more difficult for schools to decide what to do if it's still raining in the morning before that transition over to ice ends up occurring. I mean, either way, it's just been tough for schools this year. Heading into this upcoming weekend, we're talking about high temperatures in the 20s to right around 30 degrees. So it's another cool down here, and overnight lows that will be back close to zero for Saturday night into Sunday morning. Following that, we'll see another rebound in temperatures. Taking a look at your shoreline 7-day forecast, highs in the low to mid 40s for the next couple of days, back down into the 20s on Saturday, overnight lows in the teens Saturday night into Sunday morning. Check in with the Fox 61 Morning Show crew. They're going to have an update tomorrow morning in case there's any sneaky areas of black ice or any updates on the forecast regarding the end of the week storm. Lots to figure out, lots to get to, and we've got you covered every step of the way, guys.